are the basic steps to getting started with affiliate marketing. Choose a niche. Start by choosing a niche or industry that you are interested in and have knowledge of. Find affiliate programs. Look for companies that offer affiliate programs in your chosen niche. You can find them by searching online, reaching out to other industry professionals, or by joining affiliate networks. Sign up for the program. Once you find a company or companies that offer affiliate programs, sign up to become an affiliate. Promote products. After signing up, you will be given a unique affiliate link that you can use to promote the company's products on your website or social media channels. Track your progress. Use a link tracking software or platform to track clicks, sales, and commissions on your affiliate link. Optimize your strategy. Use the data you collect to optimize your strategy and improve your affiliate marketing efforts. It's also a good idea to familiarize yourself with the Federal Trade Commission's guidelines for affiliate marketing, which outline the legal requirements for disclosing that you're using